Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. I'm back with another Color Crush rainbow makeup video series for you today, and today's look is going to be green. I think I'm gonna call it Green with Envy or Green Machine. The name is still a work in progress. Okay, but yes, anyways, we're back here with this series, part, I don't know, 3 now or part 4, but y'all are still watching, so thank you. And my hair is, I'm wash and going, so if you want to see the finished results, go check out my wash and go video, my first attempt, so I'll card that up top. So per usual, I have done my foundation, my brows, so my base is done, so I don't have anything else on, just the base for my face. And then I'm going to do everything else on camera. I'm going to do this look as monochromatic as I can. The only thing that's going to be different is the lips. I'm even going to try to do like some green highlight. We'll see how that works. Okay. I'm going to prep my lid by priming it. I already do have some foundation and concealer on my lid, but we're just going to go the extra mile. Y'all, this makeup series has been so fun to do. Like, get to try like colors on my lids, because mostly during the week I'm just like doing neutrals and stuff like that. You know, every now and again. Sorry, the light is changing outside. My camera's not adjusting. But yeah, every now and again I like to do something a little poppin'. So, you know, I don't always do color on my lids, but I will do color on my lips. Now, of course, always do my transition color. I'm going to use Spice from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette and my favorite blending brush. I'm going to put that right above where I put that shadow base, and then just blend that up to my brow and go back and forth in a windshield wiper motion. Per usual, per my last YouTube tutorial. And y'all, and guess what? Usually I say in the video, oh, I've been at work, so I've been wearing my face all day. No, I literally just put this on, and I'm gonna wear this look out tonight. I'm actually like going out somewhere, so yay! My teeth look so white. Okay, anywho, back to our regular scheduled program. I'm gonna take a shadow brush. This one. I think it's came from a brush that my friend Jazz gave me when I graduated with my master's. Thanks, girl. And this is a L'Oreal Hip Intensity Pigment Metallic Duo in Gunmetal. Y'all, I don't even know if L'Oreal makes these anymore, and I've had this, I don't know how long, but it's mine. I don't care. Judge your mother. I don't care how long. I'm supposed to keep makeup, whatever. It's for me. And if I get pink eye, it's my fault. And I only use this on myself, I promise. And I do like sanitize it with alcohol, so we'll be alright. And these are the 2 shades in here. So you have this lighter like olive green, and then you have this emerald green. So I'm going to use these 2 colors for the base color of my look, and I may go and add something else. But I was going to do like a yellow today, but I saw this sitting on my sink. And I was like, oh my god, I have to use it. So I'm going in with that metallic olive color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm taking it a little bit above my crease. And this one is like kind of metallic, but I think I've been spoiled by ItsMyRayeRaye because her metallics are like super creamy. And this one, like, for lack of a better term, is like dry and stiff. But I'm getting the pigment I want. Oh, not too mad about it. Alright, I think we got that popping. I'm loving it, yes. Alright, so here's my Real Techniques blending brush. It has some red on it. Clean that off. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this darker emerald green which is also metallic-y. I don't know, these are like matte metallics, if that makes any sense. They're matte, but they just have like flecks of glitter in it. And I'm going to sweep that above my crease. So there's that. I love how like it created like, you can see the green, but then there's also like this black halo when it blends in with that transition color. But I'm gonna go back with Spice and blend that out, blend out that green. I'm probably gonna hit pan soon on Spice as much as I use it. So windshield wiper motion and kind of use the edge of the brush to blend it out. So I don't want it to blend in and be muddy. Just want to blend out a harsh line. And I did with that emerald green, I did take it all the way into the corner. All right. I went too far on my nose. Okay. So now that's done. I was going to like add some black to it to add a little depth, but I'm not hating it. I think I'll put a little bit on that outer corner. So of course RayeRaye has a matte black. It's called Black Beauty. I'm gonna take this little detail brush. I just think the shape of it is perfect for that outer corner, and I'm just gonna lightly put that there because I don't want to do too much. I still want the green to be focused. And I went and got some liquid liner, y'all. Okay. So this is just a black liquid liner from Ruby Kisses. Wouldn't open. Because this look definitely needs a liner, boo-boo. I'm gonna line, wing it out a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna go in with that detail brush from ItsMyRayeRaye. I'm gonna go back into this gunmetal duo, and I'm gonna put that lighter olive green shade towards the inner corner of my lower lash line. And I think I'm actually gonna take my smudge brush, this short dumb smudge brush. But it's not giving me the effect that I want. Yeah, there we go, honey. I'm just taking that like to the middle. Then I'm gonna go with that olive. Sorry, this is that emerald green, not olive. So this jumbo eye pencil from e.l.f. in black. Now I'm going to do a little tear duct highlight, and I'm going to use Angel from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. I love this. It's kind of like a iridescent yellowy white color, but I think it's really going to pick up with this green. Go back on this side. And I'll live for a tear duct highlight. Oh, y'all, I'm a teacher. My students will be like, the boys will be like, Miss Cook, you got eyeshadow in the corner of your eye. And I'm like, it's supposed to be there. It's called a tear duct highlight. Oh. So cute. All right, y'all. This is cute, and y'all can't even run. We're going to highlight. It's my Ray Ray, of course. Moonlight, y'all. This Moonlight is beautiful. It's similar to Angel, but it's a highlight, and I think it's gonna pick up on that green as well. Stop. Y'all, this is just a couple swipes. Like, I haven't gone back in. That's it. Like, what the what? Yeah, I'm not gonna go back because then that's what's gonna be extra, extra. All right, so sadly, we're not doing green. I was never gonna do green blush, but I am gonna take this blush from Coastal Scents, if I can get it out and see what it's called. And it's called Bravado. So it's super matte, and I thought it's just gonna look like a natural blush to my face. So the room door is closed. See, just a natural glow to my face. Nothing too much. I mean, I could make it too much if I want, but that was my line name. Too much red. Should I get some highlight above my brows? Alright, get some lashes. So I'm using some different ones. These are from Kiss, and they're called Look So Natural. And I actually wore these in my wedding chit chat get ready with me when I was going to that bomb wedding in Raleigh. So yeah, I'm gonna put glue on these lashes because I just feel like that's gonna bring this whole look together. And before I put them on, I like to kind of like bend them a little bit, and I'm gonna let these sit and get tacky. And I'll never show y'all how I put on lashes because I look a hot mess. Maybe next time. But maybe I should show y'all so y'all can just, you know, be a part of my struggle game. So let those sit and get tacky. So I'm gonna do my lips and take off a little bit of that. So I don't have any green lipstick, but I think this lip is just gonna be amazing. It's called Sugar Plum. I got this at the makeup show in New York a few years ago, so I don't remember the vendor, but was Wet n Wild has Sugar Plum Fairy, and it's the same thing. I just wanted to use this one. I felt like this one is a little more sheer. So I'm going for like a sheer purpley lip with this eye, and I want it to be glossy. So I have this lip gloss. It says it's from Laugh Out Loud. I got this from the beauty supply store, and it's called Text Me Purple. I'm gonna put that on top. So I wanted to do a glossy, shiny lip, but this gloss isn't enough by itself. So definitely have to pair it with this lipstick. That green and purple though. Let's see. These are more like natural looking, but they still give you some drama. Yeah, we're probably gonna cut this out. I can't do it with one hand. Let's see. Well, I'm trying to close the wrong eye. Okay, that wasn't so bad. You might be able to keep that in. I really do think letting it sit for a little bit really helps me, because when it's not tacky, these things be slipping and sliding. Let that glue dry. And I'm actually going to spray some setting spray again. I've already sprayed some on my face, but I'm actually going to be wearing this look out tonight, so I want it to last. Alright y'all, my hair is done. It's still drying a little bit, but here's the finished makeup look. I look like my mom. lash glue finally dried, and I got that glue off of my lid, and I used that smudge brush and just gently wiped the glue off because it was tacky, so it was able to come off pretty easily. But yeah, that's the finished look, you all. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Just go down there and hit that red button down there, okay, and make it turn gray. And also, if you want to be notified whenever I post, go ahead and click that notification bell button and you'll never miss a post from me. And why don't you go ahead and check out these videos right here, okay? You can see how I achieved this wash and go, and you can keep watching my Color Crush series. And oh, hey girl, hey boo, how you doing? Okay, hey, go ahead and click my picture, and you can go ahead and subscribe. Easy and free. Thank you all so much for watching again, and I will definitely see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.